Hey guys, let me show you guys how I make this crunchy peanut that you can enjoy at home. It's so crunchy, it's so good, it tastes so delicious. All you just have to do is get your raw peanut. It's my raw peanut. Add some salt, sprinkle some salt to it. Then after adding salt, add hot water. Allow it to fill up to the level of the peanut. Then you cover it up, allow it to sit for, you stir together, stir together, mix it well. After mixing it, cover it up to allow it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you drain. After draining, take your baking pan, spread it on your baking pan and bake it till it is well dried. Spread it up, then you put it inside the oven, let it bake till well dry. Then after baking, just peel it off, peel out the skin with your hands, rub it together when you're peeling the skin off. Then you stir in any container of your choice. Enjoy it, very crunchy and it tastes so delicious.